Good morning, everyone. I'm Doni Fernando and my friend Denti Karyaningsi. We are from the University of Serang Raya. In this opportunity, we would like to present our paper with the title of Factor Affecting Readiness to Adopt Digital Technology in Public Reading. Introduction. Public Reading Park is a facility of institution of instill a love of reading in the community that provide service in the form of reading material. Since the COVID-19 pandemic occurred, the Public Reading Park has not been able to carry out the activity optimally. The government restriction on the gathering activity and offline school activity due to the high rate of spread of the virus. COVID-19 during have this pandemic have greatly affected the existence of the public reading park. The rapid development of digital technology currently has a positive influence on the development of digitalization support of by readiness infrastructure, which is one of the basic needs for public reading park to adopt digitalization. Research object and problem. The object of this research is literacy community activities such as a public reading park, reading house, public library, and literacy community. The problem that's the object of the research is we would like to analyze the factor of impact of digitalization such as IT infrastructure, COVID-19 pandemic, digital strategy, perception of convenience, perception of benefit, digital culture to adopt digital technology for public reading park. By knowing this factor, we can provide guideline to the stakeholder. The research methodology. This research use a qualitative research where the research is descriptive and used to analyze. The data collection technique used in this study was questionnaire. In this research, we have 7 states. From is conduct a literature study, second conduct interview, field observation, develop a list question, create a questionnaire, distribute the question, process the result, and make the conclusion. The population of this research is 243 public reading park registered in the Banten province. In this population, we focus to the owner, administrator, or manager of the public reading park operating in the Banten province. This research determined the number of samples in the study using the Sloving formula. With a margin error value of population is 10%, the minimum number of samples required in this research is 71%. So we use that sample for this research. Our research tool, we are developed the questionnaire using the Likert scale developed by Rensis Likert. There are 5 levels of agreement of the Likert scale, like at the slide you can see on the slide. And data of the study we are process using the partial least square PLS technique with software ShortMath PLS. The PLS is a multivariate statistical technique that can handle many response variables as well as explanatory variables at once. In this research, we developed 8 hypotheses. First, we analyze how the availability IT infrastructure affect the perception of the easy of the digital. And the second is how COVID pandemic have been impact to the benefit perception of digital technology. And the three, how perception of the convenience of digital technology affect to the digital culture. And the four, how perception of the benefit affect the formation digital culture. And number five, how the perception of benefit affect to drive the digital strategy. And six, how digital strategy influence the digital culture. And seven, how digital strategy, the adoption of digital technology. And eight, the COVID-19 pandemic has affected adoption of technology. This is the eight hypothesis we develop in this paper, in this research. Okay, this is our result from the Smart PLS software. So we can find the summary of this result in this page. This is the T statistic, PET coefficient, and the analysis of the result. So we can have the final conclusion is, first, our digital culture and COVID-19 have a 50.7% impact on digital technology adoption, but digital culture has significant impact, while COVID-19 has no significant impact. 85.2% digital culture is influenced by perceptive easy using digital technology. The perceptiveness of benefit using digital technology and digital strategy. But the perception easy and the perception benefit has impact, but not significant. While the digital strategy has a positive significant influence of digital culture. The infrastructure readiness has 14.4% effect of the perception easy using digital technology and has a positive and significant impact. The COVID-19 pandemic has a positive and significant impact on the perception benefit using the digital technology. Its influence 14% on the perception benefit using digital technology, while 86% is influenced by other variables not covered in the study. The perception benefit has an influence 62% of digital strategy and has a positive and significant influence. Our acknowledgement, we would like to thank all relevant against, especially our Minister of Education, Culture, Research and Technology, Republic Indonesia, who have funded this research under the Beginner Lecture Research PDP scheme in 2021 with the contract number 065 SP2H LTDRPM 2021. We also say thank you to Serang Raya University to support this research, public reading bank, and those who have assist involved in this research, which cannot mention one by one. Factor affecting readiness to adopt technology, public reading bank. This is our reference. Thank you.